A snowstorm had came and Roly's train is at Kelsorp Station, and Toby and Henrietta were taking passengers, and Toby, Henrietta, and Roly are waiting for the passengers to get in. Oh, so cold. Well, I think it's a little cold, but at least I got hot chocolate. Indeed. And here comes Trevon, pulling cold trucks. Sorry about it, Roly. Just been taking cold trucks from the South Hall yards and from the harbor, and because 17 was having problems with his firebox. Oh, I didn't know there was another engine taking some coal trucks. I'm just taking those coal trucks while 17's at the works getting repairs. But at least I'm on time. Anyways, gotta go. Can't be late. Oh well, Roly. At least you're doing okay. Oh. Right. Trevon's taking coal trucks. At least he's doing so well.